Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. What is going on, everybody? It is Sunday. Not sure the date. It's like May 16th, 17th, something like that. Anyway, guys, hands are all dirty. Yeah, I'm the kind of guy that will spray his yard a week ago with weed killer and then go back out there today, a week later, and try to pull those weeds. That's just the kind of person I am. I'm an out of sight, out of mind kind of individual, and then I'll go back and take care of the rest. But that's what I was doing right now, pulling some weeds in the backyard just because I want to get them out of there. I don't want to see them anymore, and I'll let the rest of the image, what I sprayed back there, work. But I am seeing a lot of more broadleaf weeds, more grassy weeds. Onion grass. I don't like onion grass. At least I think it's onion grass. I'll show you guys later. But right now, the old wifey got me in and told me to start spraying for insects in the yard. My 7 right here. This is the one I got from somebody. They didn't really use it. There's still a whole bunch in there. And I think it's just the hook up to the hose kind of option and go to town with it. So it says kills over 500 listed pests. It's for fruits and vegetable gardens, ornamental and flower gardens, lawns, and around the home. I don't know how good this is. It's by Garden Tech. Let's give it a look-see here, because I've never used this product before. But we're going to use it today and see how it does. And I'll let you guys know. So it says, let's see, can you see that? Can you see this? Well, you can't read it, but... Alright, so it says kills by contact. Let's see, imported cabbage worm, cutworms, army worms, flea beetles, stink bugs, white flies, aphids. What are aphids? Japanese beetles and others listed lawn and garden insects within the manual. Right in here. It says mixes automatically as you spray, treats 2,000 square feet of lawn. So this whole bottle is going to treat my whole front lawn. So let's see. Let's give it a good old shake. Make sure, I think you got to do that with most products. Make sure it's good and everything. So we shall see. Really what my wife was wanting is get rid of them spiders, because we got lots out here in the country. So I'm gonna open up this book and see what it's all about, guys. All right, guys, so here we go. It says caterpillars, butterflies, and moths section. Tons of those. You got common bristletails, whatever that is, termites, earwigs, grasshoppers, crickets, true bugs, whatever true bugs is, cicadas and kin, tree hoppers, leaf hoppers, thrips, beetles, bees, ants, wasps, and sawflies. Okay. All right, they got a whole section on spiders. There's a lot of spiders in here. I know we don't have that many out here in the yard, just a certain type. In the backyard too, I want to be spraying. I'm going to get me another one of these, maybe a couple more for the backyard. But yeah, guys, 7, not a sponsor, obviously. It's by Garden Tech. You can get this at Walmart, any other big box store. I'm not sure if Home Depot or Lowe's has it. But yeah, this is what I'm going to use today. So let's get to it. My other bottles, not the Ortho, because I use that for other things, but my Hudson bottle spray, hose and sprayer thing. That bottle, it says it covers 2,000 square feet for everything in there. Now, it takes forever. Look, it's already rained an inch and a half, and by the time I get done with that bottle, my lawn is gonna be freaking soaked. So I'm gonna make it a little bit quicker. I'm gonna put it in the Hudson bottle, and I'm gonna spray it out. I'm sure it'll go by a lot faster, and that's what I want. It's fine. It's gonna be good. So here we go. I mean, come on, guys. Jeez. Just wear the PPE. Oh, here I go. Let's see how it does. Whew. You smell it up here, man. That insect killer. I hope it works, because I think I put a crap ton down. All right. Well, let me tell you something, guys. Wear your PPE. I'm serious. Wear your PPE. Moving that over to the Hudson, you definitely get more of a smell. So wear your masks. Wear your gloves. Because I was getting a lot of... My hose wasn't hooking up to that Hudson very well right now. But that's fine. But wear your PPE. I didn't wear my PPE. I should have. But again, Garden Tech is not a sponsor of that product I just used. Excuse me. But I just wanted to let you guys know. We'll see what it does. I'll read the book a little bit more to see how long it's supposed to take to kill all the spiders and whatnot. Hopefully it works well with the Grub X I put down last week. We shall see. But give you guys a little look-see of the old front yard. Not horrible. Like I said, I was supposed to mow today, but it is just too soggy. And over there, let's see, here and all over here, neighbors are really soaked down. I need to get some fill dirt. I just need to fill that in and see what I can do to fix that, because that's what I did last time in a different section, and I'll show you guys that right now. You guys have already seen most of that, but yeah, the ground is just really wet right now, especially after I just sprayed all that stuff down. So right in here is where it was just bare. There was nothing, and I'll put up a photo right now. Bam. There you go. That was all bare. Now it's all filled in with Bermuda. Bermuda is resilient, guys. It spreads so fast. The people out there right now that have Bermuda, you exactly know what I'm talking about. So I'll show you the side right now. The side's actually not looking too bad. It always comes back really good in the season, but close to the house, that's why that's going to be another project, but I'll tell you that in a minute. But as you can see, the side got some low spots. The side has always been low. Look at this, if I can see that right there. Got a downspout there, got a downspout there, and a downspout there, all coming towards this area. So my thought process was, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put some drainage in here, which I still might do. I'm gonna have it go down to a catch basin on that one right here. I'm gonna have it go down to a catch basin on that one and a catch basin down on that one. And then they're all just gonna filter out all the way to the back there by the trees. And it's not very costly, and if you know how to do it yourself, because somebody's gonna charge you an arm and a leg. And I did that on the other side, and it takes a little bit of time, little bit of patience, especially if you're digging under a sidewalk. But yeah, so that is the plan eventually. But right now, a simple solution, I just need to throw some more dirt down right here, level it out, and go from there. Really good. And eventually, we're gonna have a fence up. I don't know. As soon as I can find somebody to help me to put up a fence. Yeah, if anyone wants to come build me a fence for pennies on the dollar. No, all right, guys. Got the old backyard going. You see my orange bucket from the big box store. And I mean, look at this. I think that's the onion grass, guys. Let me know if I'm wrong. I'll get real close to one for you guys. Can you guys see that? Let's see. Can you guys see that? This right here. Onion grass. It looks like onion grass. Easy to pull out. That's for sure. But let me know what you think. I think it's onion grass. Could be wrong. But I'm sticking to my guns. Well, hey, decided to let you see me pull weeds. Who wants to see it? Raise your hand. I know, I do. Yeah, go ahead, sit back, relax. I think it looks better to me. I feel better. But now it's quitting time. Go in, spend some family time. But here's what I got. That's my catch for today. Look at those roots, John Perry. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this Sunday in the lawn with Cody, the meister of my lawn. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys have a great rest of the Sunday. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe I'll mow if it's not too soggy still. All right, guys. See you later.